Hello everyone! Today we're discussing the three most important pillars in the world of artificial intelligence, namely the three types of AI that shape our world. Imagine you're at a talent show. On stage, you see three remarkable performers. The first is a master pianist who plays Chopin flawlessly but can't cook an egg. The second is a Renaissance genius who paints, writes poetry, solves mathematical theorems, and engages in philosophical debates with equal brilliance. And of course, he cooks eggs perfectly too. The third? Well, the third is something we can barely imagine, a being so intellectually superior that Einstein would look like a novice beside them. This talent show isn't fiction. It's happening right now in the AI world. These three performers represent narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. And here's what's most fascinating. We're currently living in the era of the first performer dreaming about the second and simultaneously admiring and fearing the third. Let's start with our master pianist. Narrow AI, also called weak AI. Don't let the word weak fool you. This AI is incredibly powerful, but only within its specific domain. Narrow AI is designed to excel at one particular task or a very limited set of related tasks. Think about your smartphone's voice assistant, Netflix recommendations, or spam filters. Each of these systems handles its task brilliantly, but ask Siri to make a medical diagnosis or Netflix to drive your car, and you'll quickly see their limitations. Here's what amazes me. Virtually every AI system you interact with today is narrow AI. That chess program that defeated world champions? Narrow AI. The system that recognizes your face in photos? Also narrow AI. The algorithm that decides which ads you see. You guessed it. That's still narrow AI. Now let's talk about our Renaissance genius, general AI or strong AI. This is where things get really interesting. General AI would possess human-level cognitive abilities across all domains. It could write a novel in the morning, solve complex engineering problems during the day, and compose music in the evening. But here's what keeps researchers awake at night. As of 2025, we haven't achieved true general AI yet. We have systems that can perform multiple tasks, but they're still collections of specialized narrow AI systems working together. I often think about what it would be like to test a general AI system. How would you verify something that could theoretically learn and adapt to any task? It's like trying to test human intelligence, incredibly complex and multifaceted. And let's examine our third performer, super AI. This is artificial intelligence that doesn't just match human cognitive abilities, it surpasses them in every domain. We're talking about systems that could make breakthrough discoveries in physics, solve climate change, and potentially transform civilization. This is where the concept of technological singularity comes into play. The point where AI systems become so advanced that they can improve themselves faster than humans can understand or control them. You might wonder, why should I, as a tester, care about these distinctions? Here's why this knowledge is absolutely critical for our work. First, understanding AI types helps us set realistic expectations about what we're testing. Second, our testing strategies must match the type of AI we're dealing with. Third, the risks and challenges are fundamentally different between these types. When testing narrow AI, we can focus on specific use cases and boundary conditions within that domain. But imagine testing general AI. We'd need to consider virtually unlimited scenarios and potential applications. For super AI? Well, that raises questions about whether humans could even understand the systems well enough to test them effectively. In your daily work, you'll primarily encounter narrow AI systems. Remember these key testing principles. Define clear boundaries of the AI's intended domain. Test thoroughly within those boundaries. Verify that the system fails gracefully outside its domain. Clearly document limitations for end users. Here's what absolutely amazed me when I first learned this. Expert debates about general AI timelines range from it could happen in the next decade to it might take centuries. Some even argue it may never happen. This uncertainty makes our field incredibly dynamic and subject to change. So, summarizing our talent show, narrow AI consists of brilliant specialists excelling in specific domains. General AI is essentially the holy grail of human-level intelligence across all tasks. And finally, super AI, beyond human intelligence, potentially transforming everything around us. In our next lecture, we'll explore how AI-based systems differ from conventional software systems. We'll discover why testing an AI system is like the difference between studying a carefully crafted watch and understanding a living, evolving organism. Thank you for joining me today. And remember, every system you encounter tells you exactly what type it is through its behavior. Learning to recognize these patterns will make you a much more effective specialist.